What's up, guys? Terrence here. Today, I'm going to do a video that was requested by one of the subscribers on my channel. They wanted to see the different filler necks that's on the Mustangs that I do have. I have a 77, well, two 77s, a 78, and a 76. So I'll show you guys how all those are, the filler necks on the gas tank, how they're made, and the differences. For the most part, three of them were just the same, identical. However, the V8 Mustang, the 76 Mustang, I don't know if because it was a V8 or not, it was totally different. So I want to show that. I was going to message the guy with some pictures and stuff, but I think the detailed video, it'd be better for him to see for a reference. So also, I want to note that I haven't posted any content because there was a death in my family. My uncle passed away a couple weeks back, and our family has been so divided for many, many years, for almost a decade. Our family has been torn apart. Our family has been divided. You know, I haven't spoke with some of my cousins in 10 plus years, and just a lot of my relatives. And the funeral pretty much brought everybody back together, whereas we're doing an event coming up this weekend. So yeah, it's been a long time coming with that, but it shows how important family is. And by us being so divided, and we were once extremely close, tight-knit family, loved each other to death, and miscommunication and turmoil within the family. One death separated the entire family, which is the death of my grandmother, who's like a mother to all of us. That's pretty much separated the whole family. Back and forth with that, and garbage insurance policies, a whole nother topic. Whereas another death of my uncle, who's a vital role in our lives, who played a critical role in our lives, brought the family back together. His death brought the family, united us, and I just think we'll never separate now, especially as we get older. I'm glad we're amending our wounds and healing through communication and constant talking, and like I said, we're going to have this event, so just want to share that with you guys. But yeah, family funeral has thrown me off from posting content, which is fine. I'm back fully at it now. I'm going hard, and I've been working nonstop over the last few days, so lots of content coming, but that's the reason I haven't posted anything. So also got some cool buys of the week coming up as well. So let me show you guys these filler necks. This is how the 77 and 78 filler necks are. Four screws. Comes out, enters the gas tank. I have one that's partially cut. Let me grab it. Here's one here. There's the rubber sits up there. It's in good condition, but it's been cut right at the top. Somebody that had taken parts off the vehicle cut it by accident, opposed to just taking the four screws out and removing it. Made me upset. You know, I just should have did it myself. Like I do everything, but just trying to help somebody out that day. And cut it. So cut it right at the top by the fuel door. Okay, and there's also this style that goes into the tank. It goes into this rubber hose to the back of like a plastic. I believe this plastic. Let me remove this cover so we can get a detailed video of the different style filler necks and how this one is uniquely set up. This is a V8. And as you guys can see, there's this cover that goes over it, that covers that area up. Goes over here. So we just remove this cover. I believe this is, it's metal. It's a metal cover that goes in the wheel well, so you can't see the filler neck on this side. So leave those with 7/16 bolts. There's one at the top and the bottom. Let's remove it. So here's the metal plate. This is only on the driver's side. I'm guessing for protection for that reservoir back there. So if you look, you can see how it comes into that rubber hose, goes into this reservoir that straps down like a fuel tank here, and it goes up to the top into another small hose where the gas is pumped in. Yeah, so this is the setup for the 76. This is kind of unique. So glad I got this off. I'm gonna do some cleaning up in here and make sure everything is coated and protected and look really good. But just want to show you guys that the difference in the different filter necks and all the Mustangs that I've worked on. Yeah, this is the kind of unique set. Okay guys, that concludes this video. If you need to see anything on the Mustang 2, any parts or how anything is installed or anything fits or anything goes, please let me know. If I can provide a video of it, I'll post it on the channel. It can help, maybe it can help others as well. But even the smallest things, I did get a request for I think the neutral safety switch on this vehicle. I don't know. So if you're watching, please let me know exactly what you want to see as far as that plug that goes in from the transmission into the vehicle, so I can get that video out for you too. So if you guys want to see anything with these Mustangs, I have 2 that's pretty much intact and 1 that's partially intact and another that's just still has some things to show, but it's kind of been stripped down somewhat. Still got a lot of things that I can provide information off of. But with the 76, let me show you guys something. So with the 76, I'm just about getting close to being done with all the rust repairs. I found 2 pretty decent sized holes in both floor pans. Well, not found so much, but just was pushing on the metal and my fingers pressed through on both sides. It was a small little hole that I thought I could get away with just doing a small little tiny repair. But as I pressed down on the metal, it became weak. So it was a nice size hole on both sides that I'm pretty much done with. I'll show you. There's a video coming up with me showing all that, and those 2 spots in the back, and the wheel well in the back. I'm on that right now. I'm getting started towards that right now. I'll show you guys some stuff like that. But if you guys want to see anything as I put this vehicle together, this thing is completely, everything is off this vehicle. I mean, in the interior, like I have my hands cut out for me, but just even the small things, like I just ordered the rubber that fits in these channels because, of course, they just tore them out of here and didn't keep anything, just tore all the rubber out. And the rubber was good on this vehicle. Although it's on I got it on the 77, one of the 77 that I'm can take parts off of. The rubber looks dry rotted. So by me making this vehicle look as best as I can, I mean making it look near as if it came from the factory, the day it came from the factory. That's my goal for this. I just ordered the rubber. You can buy a pair for 115 bucks, something like that. And this channel, it seats in here. This channel goes along here. There's another piece of trim, so look, everything is off of this. I'm gonna pull these panels off. I'm gonna pull these panels out of here, get these all cleaned up. These is really nice. I don't think I have to paint them. And I have to put every piece of trim, interior wise, back on this thing. Yeah, gotta get it back right. But once I get through the rust repairs and stuff like that, we're wheeling this out. We're gonna push this out and get started on the white car. And then we're gonna pull this back in, and I'm gonna smoke this interior, stickers after that, and start putting all the body parts back on and finish this one up as we get through with the rust repairs on the white 77. So when I get done with these last couple patches in the back, let me show you guys. I'm gonna start on one end right now. Yeah, so I've been pretty much in this area for the last couple days getting this down packed, and I'll show you guys that in the upcoming video. From here, I've already marked where I'll be working at in the area, and once I finish those, we pulling this thing out of here and pulling the white one in and repair all the rust sections I already cut out for the white one. I already got them off to the side, ready to go. But a lot of work with that. And yeah, we just want to get this thing presentable, looking really nice. So stay tuned for that. If you like the content I'm posting, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified when I do upload new content, and I got a lot of it coming. Terrence, I'm out.